Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to check in for your Carnival cruise. First, go to the Carnival website and log in to your account. Once logged in, click on the online check-in option. You'll need to provide your personal information, travel details, and choose your arrival time at the port. Don't forget to accept the cruise ticket contract to complete the process. After finishing, print your boarding pass and luggage tags. These are important for a smooth boarding experience. Make sure your documents are ready before you arrive at the port to avoid delays. And that's it. Following these steps will make your check-in quick and stress-free so you can start enjoying your Carnival cruise. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.